drones with 4K cameras are becoming popular. They offer perspectives previously reserved for expensive gears like cranes or dollies. These affordable, lightweight marvels have swiftly become essential tools for online creators. Today, 4K drones stand as the top choice for enthusiasts and photographers alike. They capture vibrant colors and stunning landscapes with unparalleled clarity. After extensive test flights, we've curated a list of the 5 finest 4K camera drones. Let's explore our top 5 picks. First on our list, we have a popular drone among photographers, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. This classic version skips the zoom but keeps the excellence, trading the lower-res zoom camera for a reliable 4/3 Hasselblad camera on the same airframe. You can enjoy an extensive 15 kilometers range, advanced return-to-home features, and an impressive 46-minute battery life for prolonged flights. Boasting perks like 10-bit D-Log and fantastic low-light performance, the Mavic 3 Classic is perfect for creators seeking top-notch quality and affordable range. While the hybrid zoom might not be a big deal for photographers, the 4/3 camera delivers outstanding results. You can consider buying this drone if you're not into telephoto lenses and value DJI's superior software with obstacle avoidance and subject tracking. Keep in mind, though, that if you're open to more camera options, the Mavic 3 Pro might be worth a bit more investment. Note that this drone isn't particularly small or light, requiring registration. If compactness is a priority, explore other options. Next drone, the DJI Mini 3 is a great choice for the beginner and often found cheaply. Weighing just 248 grams and folding down to a small 148 by 90 by 62 millimeters, this drone is super light. It shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second and in 1080p at 60 frames per second. It has a sharp 48 megapixels camera for awesome aerial shots. With a 2250 mAh battery, it flies for 31 minutes, reaching up to 10 kilometers at a speed of 57 kilometers per hour. It's a Mini 3 and not a Pro because it skips the collision sensors to keep the cost down. It borrows great features from the Mini 4 Pro, like the rotating camera and capturing raw images at 48 megapixels, which delivers fantastic video at 100 megabits per second. Think about getting the Mini 3 if you want a sub. 250-gram 4K drone that's light on your pocket. It's a solid choice for beginners and budget-conscious users. But if you really need collision sensors or 60 frames per second at 4K, check out other DJI options. Coming up, we have the HoverAir X1, a drone that can follow you and take video without any help. It's not the cheapest option for its specs, but it sure caught our attention with its unique drone style. Weighing just 125 grams and made for ages 12 and up, this drone adds a fun touch to family adventures. The AI smoothly tracked and followed us, and getting it ready was really easy. You can control it with simple buttons, no need for your phone after the first setup. Think of it as your friendly sidekick on trips, capturing moments while you cycle, run, or do other activities. It's a bit different, but trust me, it's pretty amazing. Now, there's a trade-off in flight time and range. You can use your phone to control it within Wi-Fi range or let the drone take over, but it doesn't match up to the resolution and flight time of most lightweight drones. Still, it's budget-friendly, clever, and stands out for its caged propellers, making it extra safe. Consider the HoverAir X1 if you want a drone that follows you all by itself using smart AI. It's perfect for carefree and safe flying. Just know, if you're expecting flight time more than 11 minutes, tons of recording features, or need 4K video, you might want to buy other drones. Now we will introduce you to the best DJI Mini 3 alternative out there, the Autel Evo Nano Plus. This is the perfect drone for you if you love capturing moments in low light. Packed with a 12.5 megapixels camera and an impressive 16.8 kilometers range, this lively drone weighs just 249 grams. It is small but mighty. It outshines the DJI Mini 2, especially in low-light situations. And the results get even better at night if you lock the exposure to ISO 3200. Don't let its light weight fool you. The Nano Plus handles wind surprisingly well for its size. It's easy to control, and the 3-way obstacle avoidance adds to your confidence, even if bright sunlight sometimes triggers false warnings. While its body might feel a bit less tough than the Lite Plus model, it gets sturdier when you pop in the battery. The AutoFly app has become much friendlier and gives you an easy way to capture photos and videos. Overall, the Nano Plus is a fantastic little drone that can shoot stunning 4K videos at 30p. The Evo Nano Plus should be on your radar because it can capture more light in the dark thanks to its awesome sensor. Plus, it's under 250 grams, making it easy to fly legally. But if you rely on third-party software, Autel doesn't currently support that feature for its drones. The best compact drone for most people is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This fantastic drone is super light at only 249 grams. It's like an upgraded version of the Mini 3 Pro, refining the experience for an even better ride. If you already have the Mini 3 Pro, upgrading might not be a massive leap, but if you're new to mini drones or switching from a different one, it's a top choice. Keeping it sleek, foldable design, and staying under the weight limit rules, the Mini 4 Pro holds onto the impressive 1/1.3-inch sensor for top-notch image quality. Thanks to some smart tweaks, it handles low light better. If you're into videos, you'll love the new color profile that makes your footage look consistent with the Mavic 3. Now, the Mini 4 Pro can avoid obstacles from every direction, making it super safe, especially indoors or around trees. The Active Track 360-degree feature makes flying easy. That's why it's perfect for beginners. If you can spend a bit more, getting the DJI RC2 controller makes the whole drone experience even better. Get the Mini 4 Pro if you want the best lightweight drone. It's loaded with features, takes awesome pictures, and dodges obstacles from all sides. If you're into shooting cool videos, it supports slow motion and a special color profile for extra creativity. Buying a 4K drone is something worth considering. These drones with high-quality 4K cameras give you a fantastic visual experience. We hereby shared our knowledge on the best 5 4K drones in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, support us by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Stay tuned for more awesome content coming your way.